Mr. Body members, former presidents, trade body representatives, sorry, Lahore from Morocco side, and the executive body members, former presidents, distinguished guests, business community members, Assalamu alaikum. I feel honored to warmly welcome His Excellency Mr. Mohamed Karmoune, Ambassador of the Kingdom of Morocco, and his team at the Sialkot Chamber. I believe that your visit, historical solidarity, most notably Pakistan's support during Morocco's independence, and reinforced by shared cultural and regional ties. Over the years, this cooperation has expanded to overcome and encompass robust diplomatic, trade, and economic engagements with renewed efforts to further boost bilateral trade and investment. I would like to thank Ambassador Mr. Mohamed Karmoune for his unwavering commitment to strengthening Pakistan-Morocco relationships. His visionary insights highlights the vast untapped potential in our bilateral trade and market research and improve institutional collaboration. His Excellency dedication to enhancing economic integration and his tireless efforts to promote mutual understanding are truly. Here I would like to take a moment to acknowledge the efforts of Mr. Ishtiaq Beg between the two countries and conducting festivals every year to, to provide an opportunity to interact with the Moroccan side. I was personally a part of the trade delegation to Morocco in January 2023, led by Mr. Beg, which gave us insights into the rich Moroccan culture and dynamic trading environment, reinforcing my beliefs that such exchange are essential for deepening our bilateral commerce and economic cooperation. Your Excellency, the Sialkot Chamber of Commerce and Industry has always been at the forefront of promoting international trade and business partnerships. We are fully committed to strengthening trade with Morocco and request your support. Bilateral trade between Pakistan and Morocco are per the data made available by the State Bank of Pakistan stands 659 million US dollars, with the balance of trade in favor of Morocco. Excellency, these trade nations. Indeed, the bilateral trade can be enhanced to $1 billion mark as there remains substantial several initiatives that would serve as a roadmap for enhancing our economic ties. As we discussed just on market, and we can treat Morocco as a hub station, a second motherland from us how we can get this objective fulfilled. Relaxation in tariffs on made in Pakistan products under Morocco for the sportswear and textile sector range from to direct sourcing from Pakistan. So the made in Pakistan products are ultimately in Morocco through other countries where bilateral trade agreements or Morocco has imposed less duties on those nations. So our products are ultimately being used by the Moroccan consumers. So why not to have direct sourcing from Pakistan and reduce the burden of the import duties? Besides the basic import duty, our products are also subject to a value addition depending on the product. These additional taxes affect the overall cost competitiveness of your products. In light of this, I propose that both governments may engage in bilateral negotiations to ease these tariff barriers. By harmonizing trade policies and exploring preferential tariff arrangements, Pakistan and Morocco can enhance competitiveness, reduce cost of importers, and expand market access to Pakistani exporters as well as the Moroccan exporters, ultimately driving increased bilateral trade and economic growth. Here, I would like to share that the preferential trade agreement between Pakistan and Morocco has been on the agenda for several years. We propose that both governments should work together to expedite the process of PTA to herald a new era of cooperation and direct sourcing between Pakistan and Morocco. And I would like to request to Mr. Beg to facilitate this PTA between both countries and develop some linkage so that we materialize it as soon as possible. Vital forum for coordinating regular meetings, business delegations, and trade missions, providing a direct linkages between the chambers of commerce in both countries. We firmly believe that such joint business councils can play a pivotal role in identifying market opportunities, addressing regulatory challenges, and building lasting commercial relationships. 2023, and I give my thanks to Mr. Beg who facilitated us. However, the entity relies on the potential of this partnership. A robust strategy should be developed under the patronage of your existing challenges and establish new ones, ultimately enhancing trade between Pakistan and Morocco. Joint ventures and investments. Both countries should actively encourage joint ventures to capitalize on their complementary strengths and expand market reach. By establishing strategic partnerships, Pakistan and Morocco can drive innovation, share technology, and create sustainable economic growth that benefit industries and communities on both sides. For joint ventures, there were a couple of discussions in 2023 when we were there, but could not materialize. The reason being, the Moroccan side was not representing directly. We were being offered joint venture opportunity through the middle parties, and that kind of negotiation was not appreciated by Pakistan side and could not materialize. So please help us to find the direct Moroccan buyers for football manufacturing. I may now briefly introduce the industrial city of Sialkot and the remarkable contribution made by the Sialkot Chamber of Commerce and Industry towards the economic development of Pakistan. Sialkot has cultivated a vibrant small and medium-sized enterprises culture that is highly conducive to business collaborations and joint ventures across diverse regulations and requirements, leading to an impressive annual exports value exceeding 2.5 billion US dollar per annum. From surgical instruments used in operation rooms globally to sports goods, including the footballs used in FIFA, World Cups, and Olympics, Sialkot manufacturing industry excellence is well established throughout the world. The city's diverse industrial base also includes textile, leather products, gloves, military uniforms, and protective equipments, with an ever expanding product line catering to new international demands. Sialkot's success is built on a relentless pursuit of quality, making it a trusted partner in global trade. Beyond industrial success, Sialkot business community is spearheading transformative projects like the Sialkot International Airport, the Sialkot Diport Trust, the Sialkot City Development Program, and the Sialkot Export Processing Zone, the Sialkot Business and Commerce Center, the Sialkot Tannery Zone, the Child Social Development Organization, AirSia, to give you a comprehensive insight into an industrial landscape and to brief you on the extensive development and welfare efforts undertaken by the business community of Sialkot. A documentary will be presented after my speech. I may sum up by thanking you, Excellency, for visiting the Sialkot Chamber of Commerce. I look forward to a long and prosperous partnership between both sides and excel bilateral trade from today. I would like to present you the documentary for Made in Sialkot and prove the industrial base that we have over here.
Tales of history and fortified by unwavering resilience, and has fostered an entrepreneurial climate that runs deep in its DNA. In the wake of Pakistan's inception, though individual industries,
youngsters are trying to become entrepreneurs, and definitely we will support them to become exporters as well to keep our exporting status for the city. I hope you have well understood the industrial base, the product line, and our specialities. You must have observed that all of the top end world buyers from every sector is engaged with Sialkot and they trust Made in Sialkot products. All we need and extended hand from your side to create opportunity for both ends. Our businessmen are very keen and they love your country. We love your people, and we are very comfortable. We are brother countries. We have same religion. We have so many same values. Even I would like to tell you that one of our largest sports goods manufacturers sitting in the end, he has made family ties with your country. His son has just married a Moroccan girl 2 weeks ago. So that's how we are getting connected with your country. So I would like to request you to address the house and share your views.
Mr. Hassan Javed, the Honorary Consul of the Kingdom of Morocco in the province of Punjab, my dear brother, and the Honorary Consul General of Morocco in the province of Sindh, ladies and gentlemen, whatever you have projected, everything is in Sialkot.
Yeah.
Whether basmati rice,
Yeah.
everything is there. You are blessed
Yes.
to have what you have projected.
Yeah.
As I always say, at the political level, we are in a good standing, not at the level of the expectation of the people of the two countries, unfortunately.
Right.
So we need to work together.
Yes.
And whatever you have presented, whatever you have suggested, I fully agree. Your what can I say? Your I can say ideas. The ideas you have projected to enhance the bilateral relations in terms of commerce and trade between not only Sialkot. I understand that Sialkot is the hub of the business of Pakistan, and we need also to expand our your way of thinking and the way you put things are most welcome. And to reach to the have these bilateral relations between Sialkot Chamber of Commerce and other chambers of Pakistan in Morocco, and also to, as you suggested, the idea of the what do you call it? Not the certification
Certifications and
for the certification,
registration process.
yeah, the registration and the certification process,
For 10 volunteers.
and just put them together and forward them to me in writing.
Yes.
I will forward all whatever you reconfirm to the interested party
Definitely.
in the Kingdom of Morocco. You know, as you mentioned in the beginning, which is close to Europe, only 14 kilometers to Spain,
Yes.
and also by the also it could be considered as a gateway to. We have in the northern part of Morocco, in the city of Tangier, we have ports in Mediterranean that reached the process of having another port on the Atlantic. It is called Dakhla Atlantic, which be countries: Mali, Niger, Burkina Faso, and Chad. And this could be an opportunity also for Pakistan when it will be completed in 2027, 2028.
Mm-hmm.
It could be also an opportunity to the business community of Pakistan to use it as a gate to Africa, and maybe from there, not only Africa, to the North America.
Not okay.
And we can do whatever we want together through your ideas and through the chain of the Embassy of Morocco to reach to the appropriate channels to facilitate all the process for the trade to be enhanced to the expectation of the people of the Kingdom of Morocco and Pakistan. We have, as I said, we have a lot of things to share. We are sharing a lot of at the international forum. We are anyway working together. But at these areas we are talking about, we should do. I believe, and as you said, also we should do whatever we can to have it at the level of the expectation of the two. And with the business community of Pakistan is tourism.
Yes.
Tourism is another sector also, and with tourism, I can tell you that by the end of last year, the Kingdom of Morocco, even with its population of 37 million, for our experience, and as I always say to the business community and to the members of the government, whenever I meet anyone, I believe. I'm very grateful that Excellency today, Mr. Mohamed Karmoune, despite his busy schedule, he took time and he visited this very important chamber. Mr. Ikram, President of Sialkot Chamber, a dear friend, 2023 edition of Pakistan Chamber of Commerce and Industries. And every year, this is the instructions of His Excellency that I organize business delegation to Morocco. And from the last many years, every year, very successful trips because the businessmen, they had the